As you can see, I am standing in my kitchen, and next to me is something that I have desperately needed for a very long time, and no idea why it took me this long to finally get it, but I am so glad I did. This is the 24-inch dual zone wine and beverage fridge with French doors from Calfort. So we basically had two issues in our house. The first was we were limited on refrigerator space indoors. So we had to keep all of our beverages in the outdoor small fridge. And second, we didn't have a wine refrigerator. Well, obviously, both of those problems have now been solved with this beauty. Before I get into all the details, just take a look at how sleek it is with these stainless steel doors and handles. I absolutely love the way it looks in here, especially with these door handles. Okay, so let's get into all the details. As I mentioned, it is dual zone, so you can set completely different temperatures based on what you are refrigerating. And that is very easy to do with the Smart Touch digital control panels. You can also turn on the LED lights on either side, which I always leave on because I love the way they look. Plus, it obviously helps at night when the kitchen lights are off. You can also pick which light color you like best between blue, amber, and white. So this side here is for wine, and this side is for other beverages like beer or sodas, but I actually keep my white wine and champagne on this side because I love freezing cold white wine and champagne. So I have this side set to 37 degrees and the other side, this one, to 54 degrees because that's the temperature I like to keep my red wine at, a little on the colder side. But the full temperature range is 36 degrees up to 72 degrees. And it can reach temperature in just 40 minutes, which is super quick. So this side can hold up to 60 12-ounce cans, but the genius thing is these shelves are removable and adjustable, so you can really customize it to fit any size cans or bottles that you want. Plus, they pull out, so you have access to the drinks in the back. And on the wine side, you have 6 shelves that also pull out for easy access. They each can hold 3 bottles of wine, and there is space at the bottom that can hold 2 bottles. So that is 20 in total. You can also remove these shelves as well to give some flexibility in terms of storage on this side too. Now, in terms of the cooling, the powerful compressor combines with the fan and distributes cool air throughout the cooler, ensuring quick cooling and constant temperatures. And trust me, this gets drinks cold very quickly, much quicker than our big fridge. And the upgraded compressor is dead quiet. Plus, it has a vibration dampening system, making operation barely detectable at less than 41 dB during the regular operation and only 45 dB while on maximum cooling power. I'm in the kitchen a lot during the day, and I literally never notice it. And no matter where you put this, your wine will be protected because of the dual pane tempered glass doors coated with 2 layers of UV protection to keep your wine safe from both sunshine and other light sources. I obviously chose a large empty space in my kitchen to place this fridge, and I think it looks great. But if you wanted to have more of a built-in look, it's super simple to do because of the fact that it has this front venting compressor system. So you can just slide it into place for a sleek integrated look that blends perfectly with your kitchen, home bar, or living room. You don't need to build in any type of special ventilation. It's also got a carbon filter, which helps maintain fresh internal air, so it's always nice and fresh when you open it up. And by the way, installation is super simple. It takes less than 3 minutes, and it does come with a 1-year warranty for the entire unit. 2 years for parts and 3 years for the compressor. The dimensions are 22.4 by 23.4 by 34 inches. So there you have it, the latest and greatest addition to my home that has completely transformed it for the better. So if you need a dual zone fridge in your life, Calfort is the brand to go with. They have a ton of other refrigerators and coolers, so go check out their website for more details. And that is it for today. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.